Hey everybody, Monday morning, March 30th. Here's the Astro Excel chart for this coming week. We are in bullish territory to start, and we're quickly waning on that bullishness here as we move into the later part of the morning. Once we get down here around noon, we're pretty much flatlining above the zero line until Friday, where we go slightly below the zero line. So the green line astro pressure is pretty much neutral. You can count on the force, the directional push of the blue line, and then the key pivots. The key pivots this week were 1 a.m. in the overnight, and then we've got this one tomorrow about 9 to 10 a.m. Key pivot in the evening at 2100. On the 1st, 3 a.m. and then 7 a.m. Then we're kind of inside the 10s till we get to this upside break on the 2nd at 1500. And we have a late night push at 2200. And then Friday we have right at the end of the session at 1600. So that's what the week looks like from the Astro Excel standpoint. I'll come back tomorrow or the day after with the month of April chart.